the idea of prayer being restored back to schools. And please understand that I'm not against that. But before we are so concerned with prayer being restored back in school, my greatest concern is prayer be restored back in our homes. That moms and dads restore prayer, restore a time of worship, a time of celebration of a Christ, of a Savior back inside of our homes. I cannot expect the government to lead my kids into some kind of spiritual welfare when it's my job to be the priest, the leader of the home.